Are you struggling with laundry in your small living space? Tired of spending countless hours and dollars at the laundromat? Or maybe you're an RV enthusiast seeking a convenient way to keep your clothes fresh on the road. Today, I'm excited to share my comprehensive testing and review of the top 8 portable washing machines that could revolutionize your laundry routine. After months of rigorous testing, I've ranked these machines based on performance, durability, convenience, and value for money. Let's dive into these game-changing appliances that combine compact design with impressive washing power. 8. Super Deal Compact Mini. This compact marvel has become a favorite among apartment dwellers and RV enthusiasts for good reason. During my 3-month testing period, I put this machine through various challenges, washing everything from delicate silk blouses to heavily soiled workout gear. The 8-pound capacity might seem modest, but it's perfectly sized for regular loads of 3 to 4 adult outfits or a week's worth of children's clothes. The twin tub design is particularly impressive, featuring a washing tub alongside a spin tub that operates simultaneously. This dual functionality saved me considerable time during testing, as I could start spinning one load while washing another. The 15-minute timer proved sufficient for most loads, while the 5-minute spin cycle effectively removed excess water, leaving clothes just slightly damp, perfect for quick air drying. What truly sets this machine apart is its powerful motor. Despite its compact size, it generates a strong water flow that creates effective agitation, ensuring thorough cleaning even with minimal detergent use. During my testing, I found that even stubborn stains on cotton shirts came out after a single wash cycle when using the recommended amount of detergent. The build quality exceeded my expectations for its price point. The plastic components feel sturdy and well constructed, while the transparent lid allows easy monitoring of the washing process. The compact dimensions, 13.5 by 13.5 by 23.5 inches, make it perfect for tight spaces, and I successfully tested it in various locations, from a small bathroom corner to a balcony setup. One aspect that particularly impressed me was the noise level. Unlike many portable washers that can be quite loud, this model maintains a relatively quiet operation. During the wash cycle, you can easily carry on a conversation nearby without raising your voice. The spin cycle is naturally louder, but still manageable for apartment living. Number 7. Giantex GX24977-PE. After extensively testing the Giantex GX24977-PE, I can confidently say this machine punches above its weight class. The 11-pound washing capacity proved ideal for medium-sized households, handling everything from bed sheets to delicate garments with impressive efficiency. During my testing period, I ran multiple loads daily, and the machine maintained consistent performance throughout. The semi-automatic operation might seem daunting at first, but I found it offers unprecedented control over the washing process. You can adjust water levels and wash times according to your specific needs, something that proved invaluable when dealing with different fabric types and soil levels. The separate spinner compartment, which I initially thought might be cumbersome, turned out to be a blessing in disguise, efficiently removing water and significantly reducing drying time. What really stood out during my testing was the machine's versatility. The control panel features clearly marked settings that make operation intuitive even for first-time users. I particularly appreciated how the timer dial provides precise control over wash cycles, allowing me to adjust the duration based on how soiled the clothes were. The build quality is exceptional, with sturdy plastic construction that withstood months of regular use without showing any signs of wear. This machine excels. Even during the spin cycle, which typically generates the most noise in portable washers, the Giantex maintains a reasonable sound level. This makes it particularly suitable for apartment living or shared spaces. The only minor inconvenience I encountered was the somewhat short power cord, which occasionally required creative positioning or an extension cord. Throughout my testing, I was consistently impressed by how well this machine handled different types of laundry. From heavy towels to delicate blouses, each load came out clean and well rinsed. The spin cycle is particularly effective, removing most of the water and leaving clothes only slightly damp, which significantly reduces drying time. 6. BANGSON Portable Washing Machine. During my extensive testing of the BANGSON, I discovered a machine that truly delivers on its promises. The 13-pound total capacity split between washing 8 pounds and spinning 5 pounds proved ideal for regular household use. I particularly appreciated how this capacity allowed me to wash a full week's worth of clothes for one person or several days' worth for a couple. The twin tub system's efficiency became apparent during my daily testing routine. What impressed me most was how the powerful motor handled heavily soiled items. During one test, I deliberately challenged the machine with mud-stained sports gear, and it performed admirably, removing all traces of dirt after a single cycle. The timer control offers precise customization, allowing anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes of wash time, which I found perfect for adjusting to different soil levels. The machine's stability during operation deserves special mention. Unlike many portable washers that tend to dance during the spin cycle, the BANGSON remained firmly in place even when testing maximum loads. The built-in drain pump proved to be a game changer, efficiently removing water without requiring manual tilting or complicated drainage setups. One aspect that particularly stood out was the machine's ability to handle delicate items. When testing with silk blouses and wool sweaters, the gentle wash action cleaned effectively without causing any damage. The clear lid allowed me to monitor water levels and washing action, ensuring optimal results for each load. During my 3-month testing period, I found the maintenance incredibly straightforward. The lint filter is easily accessible and cleanable, while the tub's smooth interior prevents clothes from snagging. Despite running multiple loads daily, the machine showed no signs of wear or performance degradation. Number 5. Giantex Portable Mini. The Giantex Portable Mini proved to be a revelation during my testing phase. With its 9.92-pound capacity, this machine strikes an excellent balance between compactness and functionality. I spent several weeks putting it through various scenarios, from everyday laundry to challenging stains, and it consistently delivered impressive results. The multiple water level selections became one of my favorite features during testing. This flexibility allowed me to conserve water with smaller loads while still having the option to run full capacity washes when needed. The variety of wash programs proved particularly useful when dealing with different fabric types, from sturdy denim to delicate silk items. Durability is where this machine truly shines. Throughout my testing period, I subjected it to daily use, sometimes running up to 5 loads per day. The smooth operating controls showed no signs of wear, and the well-sealed drum prevented any water leakage issues. The noise levels remained consistently low, making it suitable for use in apartments or shared living spaces. One feature that proved invaluable was the machine's compact footprint. During testing, I moved it between different locations, from under a sink to a closet corner, and its portability never compromised its performance. The clear lid not only allows easy monitoring, but also helps in preventing oversuddizing, which I found particularly useful when experimenting with different detergent amounts. The cleaning efficiency impressed me, even with longer cycle times. In one particular test, I compared it with a standard-size washer, and while it took slightly longer, the cleaning results were comparable. The gentle yet thorough washing action ensures clothes come out clean without excessive wear and tear. 4. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. My experience with the Auertech revealed it to be a powerhouse in portable washing technology. The 16.5-pound total capacity proved exceptional during testing, handling family-sized loads with ease. Over several weeks, I tested its limits with various laundry challenges, from heavily soiled work clothes to delicate fabrics, and the results consistently exceeded expectations. The semi-automatic design offers remarkable control over the washing process. During my testing, I discovered that the separate washing and spinning tubs allowed for continuous operation. While one batch spun, I could start washing the next load, significantly reducing total laundry time. The powerful motor particularly impressed me when dealing with heavy items like towels and jeans, providing thorough cleaning without tangling. One standout feature I extensively tested was the advanced filter system. Unlike simpler models, this machine effectively caught lint, pet hair, and even small items forgotten in pockets. The water efficiency also proved impressive. Despite its larger capacity, it used water judiciously, with clear markings indicating optimal water levels for different load sizes. The control panel's intuitive design made operation straightforward even for first-time users. During testing, I appreciated how the machine maintained stability even during intensive spin cycles. The noise levels remained surprisingly low. I could easily watch TV or hold conversations while the machine operated at full capacity. Durability testing showed promising results. After 3 months of rigorous use, including some intentionally unbalanced loads, the machine showed no signs of wear. The only minor inconvenience was the somewhat rigid drain hose, though this actually helped prevent kinking during water drainage. Number 3. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. The fully automatic COMFEE model transformed my perception of compact washing machines. With its 6.6-pound capacity, I initially worried it might be too small, but during testing, I found it perfect for daily use in a small household. The LED display became an invaluable feature, providing clear feedback about cycle progress and remaining time. Throughout my testing period, I was consistently impressed by the machine's intelligent features. The automatic water level detection proved particularly useful, preventing both underfilling and overflow situations. The 6 distinct wash programs handled everything from quick refreshes to heavy-duty cleaning, while the 3 water level options offered excellent flexibility for different load sizes. The build quality stood out during my durability testing. Despite its compact size, the machine feels substantial and well-engineered. The stainless steel drum showed no signs of rust or wear after months of testing, while the exterior remained scratch-resistant despite frequent moves between testing locations. One feature that particularly impressed me was the child lock function. During testing with a family with young children, this proved essential for preventing mid-cycle interruptions. The machine's quiet operation was another pleasant surprise. Even during the spin cycle, it remained quieter than many competitors I've tested. The only trade-off I noticed was slightly longer cycle times compared to semi-automatic models. However, the convenience of fully automatic operation and superior cleaning results more than compensated for this minor drawback. Number 2. Black+Decker Portable Washer. During my extensive testing of the Black+Decker portable washer, I discovered why this brand maintains such a strong reputation in home appliances. The 0.9 cubic foot capacity, while not the largest in our lineup, proved remarkably efficient in handling regular laundry needs. Over 3 months of daily use, I tested this machine with various fabric types and soil levels, consistently achieving impressive results. The 5 distinct cycle programs became a standout feature during my testing period. Each program demonstrated specialized effectiveness. The heavy-duty cycle tackled muddy sports uniforms with ease, while the delicate cycle treated my silk blouses with gentle care. The LED display's clarity and responsiveness made cycle selection and monitoring intuitive, even in low-light conditions. One feature that particularly impressed me was the automatic unbalance detection. During testing, I intentionally created unbalanced loads to assess this feature, and the machine consistently adjusted itself to maintain stability. This proved especially valuable when washing items of varying weights, like mixing towels with lighter garments. The build quality exceeded my expectations for a portable unit. The stainless steel tub showed remarkable durability during intensive testing, while the transparent top lid maintained its clarity despite frequent use. The machine's noise levels remained consistently low. During testing, I could easily conduct phone calls in the same room without disruption. What truly sets this machine apart is its cleaning efficiency. In my controlled tests, comparing it with other portable washers, the Black+Decker consistently achieved superior cleaning results while using less water and detergent. The gentle yet thorough washing action preserved fabric quality while ensuring deep cleaning. 1. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. After months of rigorous testing, the COMFEE 1.6 Q-Feet model emerged as the clear winner in our portable washer lineup. This fully automatic machine's 11-pound capacity handled everything from small daily loads to larger weekly laundry sessions with remarkable efficiency. The 8 comprehensive wash programs proved to be more than just marketing features. Each served a distinct purpose in achieving optimal cleaning results. The machine's intelligent features truly impressed me during long-term testing. The delay start function became invaluable for scheduling laundry around my daily routine, while the automatic water level detection consistently optimized water usage for different load sizes. During my testing period, I estimated a significant reduction in water consumption compared to traditional washing methods. Build quality and durability stood out significantly. The premium materials used in construction showed no wear even after hundreds of test cycles. The drum's smooth operation and effective suspension system maintained stability even during high-speed spins. I particularly appreciated the quiet operation. Even during maximum spin speeds, the noise level remained notably lower than competitors. One feature that proved exceptionally useful was the reload function. During testing, I frequently used this feature to add forgotten items mid-cycle, and the machine handled these interruptions seamlessly without affecting wash quality. The child lock feature provided peace of mind during testing in family environments, effectively preventing accidental program changes. The LED display deserves special mention for its clarity and comprehensive information delivery. Throughout testing, it provided clear feedback about cycle progress, remaining time, and selected options. The intuitive control panel made program selection straightforward, while the error notification system helped identify and resolve any issues quickly. There you have it, folks, our top 8 portable washing machine.